I don't think there's anything wrong with this, but I believe that looks a lot better. Roll the intro. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be installing the new Custom Dynamics turn signal eliminator kit on my 2019 Street Glide. That's going to look really nice on the back of my motorcycle. So these are turn signals here, those are turn signals, those are turn signals. This is a run and brake light. We're not getting rid of turn signals, we're just making this look a whole lot nicer and sleeker and getting rid of this license plate. Kind of, sort of like CVO style, but a little bit more custom. So let's get into the install. I'll go ahead and open this up. We have the frame here, and then we got the wiring harness that we'll be plugging it into the existing one, and it has these little pigtails on it. Gloss black. That's going to look good on the motorcycle on the back of that. And it was just too warm in that flannel. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the turn signals from the motorcycle. Locate the two bolts about halfway up the fender. Loosen them to remove the turn signals. Okay, so we got one side out. Perfect. Now I'm going to get the seat taken off and get the wiring harness connected that they provided in the package. Wiring harness that's going in the direction of the rear of the motorcycle. I need to find the main one and put it in line because I want this on the magic strobe so it flashes when I hit the brakes and the turn signals. So we're going to put this right in line here, and it just snaps in just like that, and just like this. Well, now I'm going to disconnect my turn signals and remove them from the tri-bar connector. It's off. Okay, so now that I got the turn signal completely out and disconnected from the motorcycle, I'm going to wipe off the rear fender and get the license plate bracket set up first. But that was a good look. I like the smoke lenses that I had in it, but I think this is going to look really nice on the back of the motorcycle, so I'm excited to see it. Now we're going to mount the license plate frame, the turn signal eliminator kit, and the license plate all together, and then we're going to put it on the bike. Now if your license plate needs to be trimmed to prevent you from pinching the wire, I would trim mine just a little bit just to get it out the way of the wire. I bend it on my knee just a little bit to get it going around. Now we're going to put this license plate eliminator kit and license plate frame and the license plate all together. So what do you think? I think it looks good. But we have to get the wire ran to the front and connect it to the wiring harness. So I'm going to take this saddlebag off, and I want to follow the factory wires to the back so I can just zip tie off of them to make it nice and neat. I have several wires running this way: the bag lights, the plugs, the rear fascia lights. Alright, so now that we have the wires ran, we have the turn signal eliminator kit put on the motorcycle, we have the wiring harness plugged in, we got everything ran nice and neat. So now we're going to take the connector and plug it in. First we're going to plug in the first connector, and then we're going to find the wiring harness that we ran up here and plug these in. So now that we got the turn signal eliminator kit installed, we have the wires ran and we have it plugged up to the wiring harness, it's time to put the seat back on. We're going to put the saddlebags back on and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so that looks awesome, but let me show you what it looks like with the lights on. I think it looks really good. The lights are still bright here. I didn't lose any functions. I still have run, brake, and turn. The same 3 functions at the other light, but it makes it in a nice, sleek, custom looking package. Let me show you what the signal lights look like. So you just watched the Custom Dynamics turn signal eliminator kit install. I want to thank Custom Dynamics for sponsoring this video, and be sure to check out customdynamics.com. I think it's one of the best installs that I've done on this bike so far. When you remove the chrome off the fender and I put the black license plate on there, it just makes everything look nice and neat and kind of cleans up the bike a little bit. Now that you've seen the finished product, let me know what you think about it. Put it in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified when more videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.